Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Wheelhouse Wonders. Today, we're taking a close look at the all-new 2025 Volkswagen Passat, a sedan that continues to evolve with more sophistication, space, and modern tech than ever before. Starting with the exterior, the new Passat receives a sleek, more refined design language. It now features slimmer LED matrix headlights, a sharper front grille with elegant chrome detailing, and a lower, wider stance that enhances its sporty appeal. The side profile is clean and aerodynamic, highlighted by strong shoulder lines and stylish alloy wheels, while the rear end gets full-width LED taillights and a bold new bumper design that gives it a premium, almost Audi-like feel. Overall, it's a car that balances understated elegance with contemporary flair. Inside, the 2025 Passat offers a major step up in comfort and technology. The cabin is now more spacious than ever, thanks to a longer wheelbase, and the design reflects Volkswagen's move toward minimalism and digital integration. A large floating touchscreen infotainment system dominates the center console, paired with a fully digital instrument cluster and intuitive haptic controls. The materials feel upscale with soft-touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and customizable trim options. Seats are supportive, with options for heating, ventilation, and massage, and rear seat passengers benefit from enhanced legroom, making long drives more enjoyable for everyone. When it comes to performance, the new Passat doesn't disappoint. It comes with a range of efficient petrol and plug-in hybrid powertrains, with the hybrid variant offering up to 100 kilometers of electric-only range. The refined suspension and chassis tuning provide a comfortable, stable ride with confident handling, whether you're commuting or cruising on the highway. The car feels responsive without being overly aggressive, a true balance of comfort and control. On the safety front, the 2025 Passat includes all the latest systems like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and even semi-autonomous driving features. It's built with Volkswagen's latest safety architecture, earning top ratings in crash tests and offering peace of mind on every trip. What really sets the Passat apart is its ability to offer executive-level comfort and features in a practical family sedan package. It's ideal for professionals and families alike who want premium quality without breaking the bank. Prices are expected to start around $36,000, making it a compelling choice in the mid-size sedan market. Thanks for watching Wheelhouse Wonders. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. I'll see you in the next one.